Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my Irish cream espresso custard. This recipe far exceeded my expectations, offering just the right amount of sweetness to balance the rich espresso flavor. If you like coffee, you'll absolutely love this decadent dessert recipe. Let's get started. Begin with a small sauce pot and add 3 egg yolks, a sugar substitute equal to 1/2 cup of regular sugar, instant espresso powder, and just a small pinch of salt. Whisk this together. Mixing here allows for the espresso powder a bit of a head start dissolving. Add some zero sugar Irish cream syrup. This is just a simple coffee flavoring syrup. Blend together. Finally, add some heavy cream and mix again. Our next step is to ensure the coffee and sweetener are fully dissolved. To do so, just place the saucepot on medium heat to warm. We're not cooking it here, that comes later. We're simply warming our custard to dissolve the coffee and sweetener. Agitate with a whisk as it warms. You'll notice it forming a foam on the top. We want this, and I'll explain why in a bit. Remove from the heat and prep by adding 4 6-ounce bowls or ramekins to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Pour equal amounts of the custard liquid into each. Add enough water to the baking dish so that the water reaches halfway up the bowls. Place this in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. Let me show you how you can have a little fun with this recipe by garnishing with some whipped cream like this here, and change the flavor slightly by sprinkling some different flavorings like these for a small sample. After 40 minutes, remove from the oven and carefully remove from the water bath. The top foam has hardened, creating a light, crunchy topping without any extra ingredients. Your family and friends will swear you added a separate topping. Let these cool at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, then chill for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Top with some whipped cream, a small dusting of flavor, and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my Irish cream espresso custard. A perfect after-dinner treat, or whenever you just want something a little sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.